Welcome, tech enthusiasts! Today, we have something truly remarkable to unveil. The Auusda 32GB RAM Windows laptop computer. Get ready to witness the epitome of power and performance in the world of computing. Hi, I'm Realtecshop, and in this video, we'll be delving deep into the features and capabilities of this extraordinary machine. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest content. Meet the Auusda 32GB RAM Windows laptop computer. A beast in the world of computing. Powered by a 1.7 to 3.4 GHz Intel N95 CPU. This laptop outshines its competitors, offering blazing fast processing speeds and seamless multitasking capabilities. Whether you're crunching numbers, editing videos, or gaming, the Auusda laptop delivers unparalleled performance. But performance isn't the only thing this laptop excels in. With a stunning 15.6-inch FHD 180° IPS LCD screen, every detail comes to life, offering immersive visuals like never before. And with a backlight keyboard and fingerprint reader, convenience and security are at your fingertips. From professionals to gamers to creative enthusiasts, the Auusda laptop caters to everyone's needs. Its 32GB RAM ensures smooth multitasking, while the 1TB M2 PCIe NVMe SSD provides ample storage for all your files and applications. Say goodbye to lag and hello to productivity. But don't just take our word for it. Experience the power and performance of the Auusda 32GB RAM Windows laptop computer yourself. Get yours today and elevate your computing experience to new heights. And that wraps up our video on the Auusda 32GB RAM Windows laptop computer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below letting us know your thoughts. Remember to check out the links in the description to learn more about this amazing device and where you can get your hands on one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.